The government of the Zeliangrong United Front (ZUF) issues a heartfelt appeal to all the Zeliangrong people residing in Manipur, Nagaland and Assam and beyond to come together in a concerted efforts to commemorate the 93rd martyrdoms of the legendary Haipou Jadonang on August 29, 2024. In a statement, ZUF informs that this day marks a significant milestone in our collective history, a testament to the unwavering dedications and sacrifice of our beloved leader. Haipou Jadonang's legacy is a beacon of inspiration, guiding us towards a future built on the principles of unity, courage, and resilience. His selfless struggle for our people's rights and dignity continues to resonate deeply within our hearts. As we gather to honor his memory, we reaffirm our commitment to upholding the values he embodied. We fervently urge our brethren to observe these solemn occasions with utmost respect and solidarity, honoring the indomitable spirits of the Nagaraj, Haipou Jadonang. To demonstrate our unity and reverence, we request the closures of the traditional village gates, centers, and all the organized or private institutions, offices, business establishments, and more across Assam, Manipur, and Nagaland. Let us stand together, united in our grief and our resolves. On this auspicious day, we invite the general public to participate in a mass observance of these special days, marked by full solemn ceremonies, paying tribute to the Haipou Jadonang's life and legacy, traditional games and sports, celebrating our shared heritage and cultural identity, flagging off and lighting candles at 6 p.m. in every Zeliangrong household, symbolizing the light of unity and hope. Let us come together to pay tribute to Haipou Jadonang's unwavering dedications and sacrifice. Let us celebrate our shared heritage and strengthen our bonds as a community. May his martyrdom inspire us to strive for a brighter future, built on the foundations of peace, justice, and equality, it added.